ICP's Environmental Restoration Group combines diverse brands united to create solutions to address everything from cleaning and disinfecting to remediating, mitigating, and controlling a host of environmental hazards, all in an effort to help our stakeholders get back to normal. Our brands share the goal of providing the most advanced and effective solutions, but approach that goal with very unique products and chemistry. Together, the Fiberlock and Benefect brands have allowed our Environmental Restoration Group to broaden ICP's portfolio to provide solutions to fit every project and address every challenge. From mold and water damage, to fire and disaster restoration, to lead and asbestos abatement, to viral outbreaks requiring disinfection and mobile containment, we provide one source for the best environmental restoration products and the peace of mind that comes from working with the leaders in the field. With the rich 35-year history of supporting disaster relief efforts through an advanced line of specialized remediation and abatement products, the Fiberlock brand brings with it a wealth of expertise and experience, working on projects such as the Superdome after Hurricane Katrina and a lead encapsulant project at the National Gallery, and of course, thousands of residential structures. United with Benefect, the brand responsible for the world's first and only government-registered authentically botanical disinfectant technology and known for the highest levels of customer service. We are able to deliver the safest solutions, backed by revolutionary science, by combining our strengths, our ability to serve our customers in the most adverse scenarios, and a history with the most specified products preferred by contractors, industry hygienists, and consultants. ICP's Environmental Restoration Group has perfected the science of getting back to normal.